Been watching this for so long and seeing all these cars, to have access to the pit and come back here and look at them, dude, this is like a bucket list item for sure. Oh. Day 2 for us here. We're headed into gate 3 here at Hammertown. This is like where all the vendors hang out. This is if you need to use the porta potty and do a little extra, this is a good place to go. We woke up and got to have some omelets this morning. It was so good. It was like an omelet bar and some hash browns. Finally had coffee. We kind of skipped it yesterday because we woke up a little late. If you need to get food, this is the place to do it. There is a ton of food in here actually. We had some Dang Brothers pizza yesterday. It was really good. I mean, for being out here in the desert, it was excellent. So we're just gonna be walking around today, checking out some of the vendors and maybe get some swag, buy some merch, and then looks like the Wheelin' Wine and Whiskey boys are out here gonna check out the pits and everything. So probably gonna tag along with them and see if we can get some cool shots for you guys. So we're out walking the pits here at Hammertown. It's like everything has to do with your wristband access. So I think regular spectator is just white. It means you can get in and check everything out. There's restrictions after that to where you can go. So when we got in, we were part of a pit crew for Two Stone Racing. So they gave us, I think it was like a purple wristband. So we had a lot of access back into the pits. Then we got access to even more when we applied for the media. Anyways, we're camped with the guys from Wheelin' Wine and Whiskey. They're kind of taking us around. They were showing us a lot of cool stuff that the vendors had to offer. Wheelin' Wine and Whiskey is one of the off-road podcasts in my area. I listen to them all the time, so it's really cool to meet these guys. And they're actually doing an interview today with Monster Energy's team and some of those drivers. So this is killer to be part of it. I'm just kind of on the sidelines hanging out. Been watching this for so long and seeing all these cars, to have access to the pit and come back here and look at them, dude, this is like a bucket list item for sure. Super lucky to be out here.
You gotta get out and do some work, Will, and I imagine that every once in a while. I know you go out on the side-by-side a lot.
Yeah, I've been, you know, I got rid of all my trawlers, so I don't really have a trawler, and we got all these dang race cars, and
it's awesome. Just combine and do this, and I know you got a ton of fans out there. You're always getting fist bumps and stuff.
Just got done with the pits and that interview with Shannon Campbell, which was sick. Definitely a bucket list item right there. And we decided to celebrate with some wheeling. So we're headed up to Turkey Claws, my first time out there. It's kind of like a test run for both of us, and it's our first run out in Johnson Valley. So hopefully this is cool. All right, we just finished up Turkey Claw. You can see it's getting to be dark here. Just 5 o'clock now. With all the mountains and the clouds, that's about dark time here. We've got the shootout tonight. We're getting to go check that out. I think that's going to be a ton of fun. I heard it's going to be just chaos up there, and we got a ton of people today. Here's a shot of the Samurai. It's back in one piece. We're definitely leaking a little bit of something, some coolant maybe. Turkey Claw here is the easiest trail here, and that was, it wasn't super challenging, but it wasn't easy either. On 33s, we were definitely the smallest guy out there. No damage that I know of. We do have a new squeak. I don't know what it is. Hey, we're out at Hammers. Who cares? Let's just keep going. All right, headed up to the shootout tonight. Not sure if we'll be able to get any footage. All we got is the phone tonight. We'll see how that turns out, but we're grabbing some chairs, grabbing some beers, and we're gonna head up to the shootout and watch all the big boys show off a little bit. How's dinner? Chili dogs at the shootout. Great. Dude, awesome job, guys. Thank you. Good morning. It is day number 3 for us. Not a whole lot on the schedule today. The big things today is Amber is doing qualifying for the Everyman Challenge, and then she'll also be a part of Power Hour, which I think that's the one that we're gonna be there for. Try to get a couple angles on that, and the goal is to put the 360 on her race car so that way we can get some cool footage of her driving and see how it looks from her point of view going around the track. We're just gonna kind of play today by ear. All of the side-by-sides are going crazy up in the hills all around us. It's freaking awesome. Just got done making some coffee with the AeroPress, which is a much needed boost in the morning out here. And now I heard we're making French toast for breakfast, so looking forward to that. French toast in the morning. Dude, that bacon was really good.
Hi guys. So I was told I was qualifying, I was on the list for qualifying, and then I was told I wasn't qualifying and I'm not on the list. And earlier today on the live feed, I guess Ian Johnson announced that I'm on the list for qualifying. So I came down here, got all my stuff together, got in line. BFG actually threw my brand new wheels and tires on minutes before I got in line. And I am not on the list. So I'm either gonna sit here and wait for the line to clear out, or I'm gonna go over by the fire pit and hang out and watch qualifying. So.
Power Hour is over. We're back at camp. It's dinner time now. The menu tonight is build your own pizza. It's pretty sweet. They've got like a bunch of Blackstone style grill things, and they're throwing pizza covers over, turning into a pizza oven. So that's what we've been up to for dinner. Let's check some of it out. Yeah, pizza night.
Pizza night.
Oh, there you go, Charlie. Thanks for coming by and video.
How's pizza night, man?
Amazing.
Oh yeah. What'd you have on yours?
Pepperoni, like an adult.
And
Jalapenos.
okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you later. So that was a huge bummer that Amber wasn't able to participate in the Power Hour. Frankie and I were over there just waiting. We were gonna have a great time with it and the camera on the roll cage and all that. And she got bumped from the list, so that happens. We still got the race coming up, which is gonna be the big show anyways. It would've been great to get some more eyes on her. And I think they messed up because we had all these huge cars, all super expensive, just hot rod muscle cars going through this track, and then they could have had this little Samurai putting through right afterwards, and it would have been just like a totally contrasting vehicle. So I think they messed up. They should have let her go. I think it would have just been great for the viewers, but all right, next year. So we've got a little bit more tonight. We're gonna go check out the Ultra 3. It's like the unofficial three-wheeler dirt track over here, and I hear it gets pretty awesome. So we're gonna go check that out in a little bit, and until then we're gonna hang out around the fire and have some drinks and tell some stories. The funniest part is this is like the most dangerous thing I've done since I've been here, standing on the outside of this turn at the Ultra 3 track.
You need to do more, Kyle. You need to do more.
Need to be more reckless. More action tonight, so head to the back door. We're in the port cage of the Samurai. It's got new LED headlights, no big deal.
No seatbelts though.
It's not my Samurai.
Not my problem. So
Yep, that was pretty fun. Got to see like everybody who tried it make it. And now we're headed up to Chocolate Thunder.